me. Yeah, we started learning about Oge síse nílẹ̀ Yorùbá, okay? So these are the things that we'll do for fashion in Yoruba land, okay? And as you know, we're going to be greeting everyone together in Yoruba language before we go into our lesson for today. So on the count of ení o, èjì o, ẹ̀ta ó yá o, ẹ káàárọ̀ o, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́. A kú dédé àsìkò ní gbogbo tí ẹ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni olùkọ́ Àǹtí Dékẹ́. Tí òní bá jẹ́ ọjọ́ àkọ́kọ́ tí bá wá sórí ètò lónìí, ẹ wò ó. Inú mi dùn lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ láti rí. Ẹ káàbọ̀. Ní ti tòní, a tẹ̀síwájú nínú ẹ̀kọ́ oge ṣíṣe ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá, a kọ́ nípa irun dídì. A kọ́ nípa àtíkè kíkùn, a lè kọ́ nípa tìró lílé. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, ní títọ̀sẹ̀ yìí, a máa kọ́ nípa ìlẹ̀kẹ̀ ìbàdí, a máa kọ́ nípa aṣọ ọkùnrin àtàṣọ obìnrin bí a ṣe ń múra ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ̀dẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀, èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì òun ni mo máa fi kọ́ àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi. Ó yá o, ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ. Alright guys, so today, remember last week we learned about how we get our hair done, okay, the two types of hairstyles that we got in Yoruba language. Then we also learned about our powder and our eyeliner in Yoruba. I'm sure you remember what those things are called in Yoruba. Irun dídì, yes. Tìró lílé, àti kíni, àtíkè kíkùn. Thank you very much. This week, we're going to be learning about how should a male Yoruba person dress and how should a female Yoruba person dress, okay? And then we're going to talk about the waist bead, okay? That is also another thing you will see on a Yoruba person, okay, on a Yoruba lady. Now, the first one, we'll talk about the bead for the waist, okay? It's called ìlẹ̀kẹ̀ ìbàdí, okay? ìlẹ̀kẹ̀ ìbàdí. So it just means a bead for the waistline, okay? So normally when you see a young lady back in the days, you will see the bead on their waist, a means of fashion in Yoruba. Not so many people do it these days anymore, but a lot of us still do it and still believe in it, okay? So it's just another way of fashion, just the way we have people with tribal marks, just the way we have people who still use tiro. Believe it or not, there are still some people who do not use this eyeliners, this liquid ones or the pencil ones that we use these days. They don't use it anyway, but they still use the actual traditional tiro. Isn't that funny? Well, it is still going on. Then also, when you see our men, they put on agbada and kembe, okay? They call it agbada àti ṣòkòtò. Ṣòkòtò is the trousers, okay? Now, when you say a Yoruba lady, okay, they will wear buba, just like I'm putting on buba. And back in the days, the funniest part is they used to have two types of buba, okay? There's a buba that the sleeve is short like this, and then they have another buba that is long up to here. Okay, this one I'm wearing is one type of the buba. So you will put on buba and wrapper, okay? Now, because my camera is stationed high, you cannot see the bottom of what I'm wearing, but it's a wrapper, okay? So you can either tie your wrapper on top of your blouse so high above your belly button, or by your belly button, or your top can be flying on top of your wrapper, or it can be tucked into your wrapper. So you can either tie your wrapper high or tie it low, okay? And then you will also put your hair tie on, your scarf. Scarf can be called sikafu, okay? Or we can call it gele. Okay, so your hair tie is either called sikafu, which has been borrowed, which I always say, remember when I taught you about èdè àyálò, right? Remember èdè àyálò? So scarf in English, then in Yoruba it's called sikafu. You understand? But also the traditional Yoruba word for your hair tie is gele. Okay, gele. There is so many more to learn, okay, about oge ṣíṣe, about fashion in Yoruba land, okay? The trousers, right? So, and that is it for this week. And then we're still going to learn furthermore about what are the other things that we do, okay, in Yoruba land for fashion, okay? So, as you know, we'll be saying our order but together. But before we do that, I just want us to have a quick recap again, okay? We have the Didi, we have Tiro Lile, we have Atike Obìnrin, we have Aṣọ Ọkùnrin, which I've broken down for you. Then we also have Ìlẹ̀kẹ̀ Ìbàdí, okay? Until I see you again next week, we say our order but together on the count of Emi o, Eji o,